Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel. If you are new here in Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to support the channel by subscribing and hit the notification bell, so when I upload a new video, you can be notified. This happened in Upper Nile ambush in Baliet County, Upper Nile State. In Upper Nile State, the Commissioner of Baliet County, Mr. Joseph Deng, has confirmed a deadly ambush that took place on Saturday, September 13, 2025. According to him, young men were killed after unknown gunmen attacked a group of army recruits. The recruits who were training at Galachal Training Center under the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, had gone out to collect firewood for cooking. During this time, the army men ambushed them, shot one of the recruits dead and took his rifle before escaping. After the attack, the army men were seen heading toward Ulang County. The commissioner of Baliet is now communicating with the commissioner of Ulang to try and trace who these attackers are and where they are hiding. This attack has caused fear among the local people and the new recruit who are still in the training. Many ask if soldiers in training are not safe, then who is safe? This is a sad story. A young man left his home, joined the army with the hope of serving his country, and with a short time, his life was cut off. South Sudan continued to lose its youth in violent attack. We must ask ourselves, when will our people see peace? Our leader must do more to protect ordinary people, whether they are soldier or civilian. A governor of Lagos State called for peace, advised presidential envoy Adut Selfa. In Juba, the governor of Lagos State, Lieutenant General Rin Twain, gave an important speech during a Thanksgiving celebration organized by the Greater Barghazal Women Leadership. In Juba, the governor of Lagos State, Lieutenant General Rin Twain, was invited. The event, which was held at Radisson Blu Hotel on Saturday, September 13, had the theme "Together We Are the Architects of Peace and Progress in Nation Building." Governor Rin spoke directly to Honorable Adut Selfa, the newly appointed senior presidential envoy on a special program, who also happened to be the daughter of President Salva Kiir Mayardit. And he asked her to put peace as her number one priority in her new role. In his word, "Comrade Adut, please prioritize peace in your special program. The number one priority must be peace." The governor went on to say that South Sudan today is in a strange situation where it is both at war and at peace at the same time. But for him personally, he said, "If I am told to choose between war and peace, I will choose peace." Governor Rin also spoke about the role of women in building peace. He said women do not belong to one region or one community. They belong to everyone. For that reason, women can bring unity. Other leaders, including Governor Mabur, praised Adut Selfa, saying she grew up in the struggle and deserved a new role. They encouraged her to support her father and help him in his duties as president. This story reminding us that peace is the most important thing South Sudan needs right now. Whether you are a soldier, a farmer, a student, or a leader, without peace, nothing will move forward. The governor was right to say that women can play a big role in peace building. I believe if our mothers, sisters, and daughters are given more responsibility, they will push for peace more than men, because they know the true pain of war. Adut was expected to visit Riek Machar when she was appointed to be the presidential envoy on a special program, but she did not, and many were expecting her to do that. Court in Wow sentenced 5 gang members. In western Barghazal State, a court in Wow has sentenced 5 young men to 6 months in prison each after they were found guilty of taking part in a violent gang attack. The attack happened last week at a birthday party During the chaos, a young man named Motasem Mohamed Adam was killed. Two others, Musa Sabir, age 19, and Madeline Gateno, age 17, were injured during the confrontation. A police spokesperson, Major Santino Udol Mayen, explained that the firemen were convicted under the Penal Code of 2008. The code also ordered each of them to pay a fine of 350,000 South Sudanese pounds. If they fail to pay, they will serve another 6 months in jail. Another suspect, who is believed to be the main person responsible for the murder, is still in police custody as investigation continues. The police assured the people of Wow that law enforcement will continue to work hard to protect the community and ensure justice is delivered. This is a clear example that crime does not pay. The young men decide to take violence to a birthday party, a place where people should be celebrating in a state of joy. They cause death and tears. I believe the punishment is fair, but at the same time, we as the society must ask, why are young people joining gang? Why are they choosing violence instead of education or work? If leaders do not create opportunities, many youths will continue to fall into crime. In Juba, a dramatic shakeup has taken place inside the Tiger Division today. The elite unit of the South Sudan People Defense Forces that protect the president. Just a few days ago, Major General Deng Akin was appointed as the new commander of division, but in a surprising twist, he has already been removed. The Chief of Defense Forces, General Dao Aturjong, has reinstated General Philip Nyon back to the position. According to the information, adding more confusion, Colonel Mike Argue, who was rumored to have resigned last night, has suddenly returned to his role today. The Tiger Division is not just an ordinary military unit, it is the Presidential Guard, the closest protection to the head of state. This quick change in leadership raised question: who really has the power inside the army, and what does it mean for stability in the capital city? This is very concerned. If the leader of the Presidential Guard are being changed like clothes, then how can ordinary soldier and citizen feel safe? Leadership in such a sensitive unit should be stable and trusted. Otherwise, it creates doubt about loyalty and about who is truly in charge. For the sake of peace in Juba and in the whole country, the army must avoid confusion at the top. My brothers and sisters, today news has shown us again how fragile our country remains. From ambush in Upper Nile to speech about peace in Juba to court trial in Wow and power struggle in the army, we can see that South Sudan still has a long way to go. But one message is clear in all these stories: peace is the answer. Without peace, we will continue to lose our youth to ambushes, to gang violence, to war, and even to political power struggle. Let us continue to call on our leader to choose peace over war, to choose unity over division, and to choose justice over corruption. If you are watching or reading this on my YouTube channel, Changfied, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Together we can keep spreading awareness, and maybe one day a small voice will bring big change in South Sudan. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.